Welcome to the Avenue. We're in Sutton-in-Ashfield today to share this property behind me, which is also on the Avenue. The property is a 3/4-bedroom detached bungalow. 4th bedroom is currently used as a study. We've got an extension on the rear giving a large lounge dining room, and there's also a very large wet room. So that could also be converted into a further reception room or bedroom where needed. The property is presented beautifully and is ready to go for the right buyer. My name is James Humphrey-Stone from The Avenue, and this is 35 The Avenue. And that there is number 35 The Avenue. If you'd like to arrange a visit, please get in touch on 01773 424 221.